Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crossed double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Skip the first 2 stitches of your row into this next one or this third one, make a double crochet. Now into this second stitch that we had skipped, so you're going to skip the first one completely, you're not going to work into that one, but into this second one, make a double crochet over this double crochet you just made. So that's going to be the crossed double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Now to make that cross double crochet, make a double crochet over the one you just made into this stitch that you skipped. Same thing, skip a stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet over this one into this stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then into that skipped stitch, make a double crochet. Skip a stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet over that one into the skipped stitch. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet over this one you just made into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. At the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left, so you're going to continue the sequence, skip 1 stitch, into this last one make a double crochet, and then make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. So row 3 is going to be like row 2, only the ending is going to be different. So we're going to skip our first 2 stitches into this next one, make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet into this second stitch that we had skipped, making that crossed double crochet. So now we're going to repeat the sequence from our last row. Skip 1 stitch, into this next stitch make a double crochet, and then into the skipped stitch, make a double crochet. Skip a stitch, make a double crochet in this next one, make a double crochet in the skipped stitch. So you're going to repeat this until you reach the end of your row. So when you get to the end of your row, you're only going to have one stitch left. Into that last stitch of your row, make one double crochet by itself. And this is how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crossed double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.